It's here and it's about time.
Ready?
Oh my God.
This is so sexy.
Ooh, so fancy.
This is also wow.
This is totally OMG.